Hey guys, this is Frank here, technician at SureFix, fixing a Samsung TV with no power. TV had a thunderstorm, power went out, and TV never came back on. Here I am flipping the TV over, getting it on its back. If you guys are doing this at home, make sure you have a nice soft surface to put it on. Here we have carpeted work surfaces here. Please do be careful. This is a 75-inch. If you want to replicate this, these TVs do get quite big and heavy. Okay, this is a screwless design here from Samsung. Most of their newer models actually don't take screws. Here I am with my pry tool going at the very edge. Make sure you do this at the very top. There are ribbon cables on the bottom, so you want to start off at the top like I am. Go through every corner and get this TV unclipped and ready to open. You see here I go to the bottom edge, but I never actually go all the way to the bottom, as that is very dangerous. Your pry tool could easily go to the very bottom of those ribbon cables, and once that ribbon cable is damaged in any way, you might as well wrap up the repair. Yeah, just wiggle it around a bit, get all those connections loose, unclip it as you can see here, and then I go from the bottom and just remove it away, put it away so I can work on the TV. You know, when most people first see the inside of a TV, they're usually surprised. They're like, oh, that's it? Oh, it might look small, but those components are really important in how your TV works. Okay, so here we have the three main components of the TV. You see the power board here, which gives power to your TV. Oops, my bad. Gives power to your TV and your TV's backlights. The green board over there is your main board. Basically controls everything that's coming into the TV or any of the video signals, and holds the software for your smart TV here. And you can see the speakers there at the bottom. Okay, so I plug in the power right there, and I remove power from the main board right here. With Samsung TVs, if you plug in power, your LEDs are plugged in, you should be seeing a light. Right here, I'm not seeing the light, which could mean two things. It's either my power supply is not working or my LEDs are not turning on. So I go ahead here, examine the board. You can, test the board and see all that, but it's way faster for our customers and way more convenient for us if we just replaced it. So here I'm testing out the brand new power board, unclipping the LEDs, getting that board removed. This can be quite difficult, so just be careful, take your time with this. Pry it up, loosen it up a bit, and then it should snap off in 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Put that to the side. Put it face down if you're putting it on the surface of the TV, or the safest thing to do is just put it on a non-insulated surface. A plastic table, a wood table, something like that would help. So I go ahead, plug this in, make sure that LED connector is connected, and then I'll go ahead and grab power here. keep this disconnected so I can go ahead and test. And here up, you see that shine there at the bottom. See that shine here? So there's, I know that my power is working and the LEDs are fully working. So let's go ahead and plug in the main board right here. So you guys aren't going to see this right now, but basically I'm underneath the TV, just seeing that the picture is fully working. And so right now I know that the TV is working. So I leave it on for about another hour in the background, make sure that the TV is fully working, do some more testing, make sure all the voltage is correct. But overall, this is the end of the repair. TV is fully functional at this point. Go ahead and honestly dispose of those power supplies. They can have some either blown up capacitors. I suggest you dispose of it, or if you have a local recycling center, dispose of it there. Okay, I think I was just doing some testing here, making sure that the TV is fully functional underneath. Just putting that back on. Make sure you hear those clipping noises, so you know that the back of your TV is on securely. Yeah, start at the edge and gradually go throughout the TV. Make sure you hear that clip. Once you hear that clip, that's how you know your TV back is on securely. Nothing will shake around or move. Alright, here, just cleaning it, wiping it down with a microfiber towel and a splash of water, nothing more. You don't really need any sort of chemicals to clean your TV, nothing more than a microfiber cloth and some distilled water. Okay, and here you guys can see the Samsung logo. I'll go ahead and flip it for you guys in just a second. Right here, you guys, it looks like the TV's on the edge, but it's really not. We're just the power connectors gets in the way of the work surface here. But just a second here, you'll see the bright and vibrant Samsung display here. Oh, as you guys can see right here, TV turning on. Just a second, there you go. Bright, vibrant, beautiful picture. Samsung TVs, these really nice 75-inch TV here. If you have a similar TV giving you similar problems, please give us a call here at SureFix. We specialize in TV repair, laptop repair, phone repair, or anything tech related. Give us a call here at SureFix, located in Orlando, Winter Park, 925 South Cimarron. Let us know and let us repair your TVs. Don't forget to like, comment, share these videos with anybody having similar issues. Let people know there's not really much instructions on how to repair TV, so we're here at SureFix. We're definitely going to help. Please like, comment, and subscribe.